Oops. Oh boy. Hello, fellow Fusionaires. This is the second part. I'm trying to get it to where let it focus. Look at that. Oh, sorry. I'm also holding an umbrella for this. That looks so cool. That is awesome. Rain's getting harder, thicker. There's another second storm. This storm is, this is just a secondary part. This isn't the main thing. The main thing's coming on a different side of town. This is just a secondary cell. Oh, man. Woo! This is awesome. I've never actually been in, this is the closest I've been to a tornado. Actually, when I grow up, I want to study tornadoes, be a storm chaser. I like Reed Timmons, John Casey, Josh Women stuff. I've actually planning on a college I really want to go to. I'm going to get this in a good grip. Now, the rain has hardened a lot. Alright. I'm gonna head in now. This is awesome.